Quiz 23. Name the Cu3P2 compound. Well, we have Cu3P2. We just do that reverse crisscross game like that. And that's going to give us Cu with a +2 and P with a -3. See that? Copper 2 phosphide. Copper 2 phosphide. Okay. Now what we could do is we have Cu, we have 3 of them. You might not know the charge yet, but that's okay. Phosphide, we have 2 of them. All right, now from that periodic table of ions, you memorize that phosphide is -3. We have to get to 0, so something plus something plus something -3 equals 0. What could this possibly be? Well, each of these, since they all have to have the same charge, they all have to be +2s. So we're going to get this copper 2 and phosphide. Copper 2 phosphide right here. So we have lots of tools to work with to get our answers. Okay, so the next one is COBr2. You have to name that. So we have a CO and a Br and a Br. Okay, well, bromide has a charge of -1. We have to get the 0. There's only one of these. That means that this has to be a +2. So +2 -1 -1 is 0. We have cobalt 2 bromide. Cobalt 2 bromide. Name the NiCl2 compound. Okay, NiCl, Cl. Okay, so Cl is chloride. That's a -1 charge. We have to get to 0. That makes this a +2. Nickel 2 chloride. Pb3N2. So we have 3 of these Pb's. And we have 2 of the nitrides. Nitride is -3. We have to get to 0. Each of these leads must be a +2. Lead 2 nitride. SnCl2. So we have Sn and Cl2. Play that reverse crisscross game. We're going to get Sn with a +2, Cl with a -1, tin 2 chloride. Tin 2 chloride. See how we need 2 of these chlorides in order to get our compound? SnCl2. +2 -1 -1 equals 0. Write the chemical formula for manganese 2 iodide. Manganese 2. Manganese is Mn and it's a +2. Iodide is a -1. Manganese 2 iodide, go through and do that. We have MnI2. MnI2. Or what we could do is say Mn with a +2, I with a -1. We have to get to 0, so we need another one of these I's, and then that allows us to write out MnI2. Okay, manganese 2 iodide. Write the chemical formula for chromium 2 phosphide. Chromium 2 is chromium with a +2. Phosphide is a -3. Crisscross it all out. Cr3P2. Cr3P2. Write the chemical formula for iron 2 nitride. Iron 2 is Fe with a +2. Nitride is -3. Then we get our crisscross going on here, and we get Fe3N2. Iron 2 nitride. Fe3N2. Write the chemical formula for lead 2 chloride. Lead 2 chloride. Lead 2 is +2. Chloride -1. We need another one of these chlorides. PbCl2. Lead 2 chloride. Write the chemical formula for copper 2 fluoride. Copper 2 is copper with a +2. Fluoride is F with a -1, and we need another one, right? So CuF2, copper 2 fluoride. I hope you got them all right. Keep working on that periodic table.